Welcome, today I'll show you how to unblock phone number into a Poco X4 GT. Firstly, open your phone application. Then in the top right corner we got 3 dots. Tap it and choose settings. Here go into block numbers option. And now we got 2 block number. So for unlocking, for example, this last one, tap here on the cross to right side and confirm operation, tapping unblock one more time. Tap. And we got success message that this number was unblocked. So let's try again this number and click here on the right side to cross to unblock. Confirm operation, tapping unblock one more time, and we got success message. So that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.